The switch on the side of the control box turns on all the sound functions. First thing you notice is the chuff sound, which is controlled by the throttle, the blue lever on the bottom. Pulling it out increases the chuff sound. Pushing it back in slows it down, and sometimes applies the brake if you move it fast enough. There is a switch on the ground that sounds the all aboard and the whistle. Lever initiates and stops blowdown. That is the compressor. Oh, so you just stuck in the whistle. Whistle is controlled by a cord and switch on top of the cab. Also included is a bell. It's a light sounding bell, but it rings. Down on the bottom, the black door opens to access the boiler compartment. The other end of the boiler will open, and it serves as a tunnel for children to go through if they want. Our first engineer, my son, usually loaded up the boiler with wood.